Hello, come let's clean my phone case with me. I have this technique which is not a 10 out of 10 but it helps in some or the other way. So what I'm gonna do is I have this acetone. I'm going to put it on this cotton and try to wipe off the excess dust on it. This is how it looks after using acetone. Now we're gonna go forward with the next process. I have Colgate on this old brush and I'm going to use this to clean my phone case. This is the after look. This of course is not a 10 out of 10 result, but it is definitely better than the one before. So I hope you try it again. Subscribe. Bye.